So this is the Hobby King Multiwii Pro. I got this because it was relatively inexpensive. It definitely wasn't as cheap as the KK board, but it was relatively inexpensive. When I got it, I'm assuming it had Multiwii on it. I guess I don't know. The first thing I did was go ahead and, hook it all up and get it hooked all up and flashed on the Mega Wii. Not Mega Wii, I'm sorry, Mega Pirate NG. That took alright, so basically I had to load another Arduino development IDE. Made some changes. I didn't change everything at once, I changed one thing at a time. First of all, I changed the GPS settings. I went ahead and then I uploaded it, checked it, made sure ground control could work or connect, and then I went ahead and added the radio link and made sure it worked. Connected with, made sure the Mav link upload again worked and everything. And then I went ahead and changed the frame type to heli. And as soon as I did that, it wouldn't compile. So, and that's using the recommended build, the current build. So then I went ahead and started looking through the Arduino files, and heli PDE was not in that one. Now the only reason I know it was supposed to be in there, again being a total noob, not knowing anything, is I went ahead and downloaded the beta of the next release version, and I was looking through the multi-copter section, and there's a heli PDE in there. So I went ahead and tried to get that version compiled, and it wouldn't upload. Something just wouldn't upload with it. And that was using also the newer version of the ArdroPilot Arduino versioned IDE. So I went ahead to the old Arduino IDE, made the library updates, the PDE updates, and everything like that, and it would compile and upload. But every time I then tried to connect with, and it also would select the heli, but every time I would try to connect with the ground control station, it would hang. It would hang on just a random spot. And I'm searching everywhere on the internet, and they're saying the 3.3 volt regulator is bad, and that's why it ain't connecting, something, yada yada yada. So I'm continuing to play around, and there was one version of the firmware uploader that allowed you to choose heli and GPS settings and pulse and the PPM settings and everything else. The only thing it wouldn't allow you to do is actually add the radio. And it was just a command, little, drop down, pick a couple drop downs and upload it. But I wasn't able to add the telemetry radio. So I went ahead and, but anyway, I flashed it like that and uploaded it. And as soon as I did that, it then allowed ground control station to actually connect and upload. Now, obviously it's not a hardware issue, because if it'll work with one firmware, then it won't work with a different firmware. It's software, it's not hardware. So with that, I went to an older version of the Mega Pirate NG, Could not get that to compile. So the only version of Megapirate NG I was able to get to compile, like straight out of the box, like open everything up, change board type, hit compile, was the current mainline version. I believe it's 3.1 or 3.01 or something to that effect. So, I mean, for 2 days I've been screwing with this. On and off. Mostly on, but on and off. So sure enough, and I'm Google searching everything. Every error that I'm getting, I'm Google searching this, that, and the other, and I'm just not finding the information that I need. So anyway, I go ahead and I search just on RC groups, and wouldn't you know it, I come across a page where the Quester, that's his RC group's name, the Quester put up a development environment installer. It downloads the IDE, downloads the current revision of Megapirate NG, but instead of flashing the board with what's there, it actually then pops open a Arduino IDE, and I'm like, this crap again? Okay, I'll give it a shot. But it worked. Worked perfectly. So I open up Megacopter, or whatever, Arduocopter, and did everything in SEP. Changed the board type, added in serial port, adjusted the baud rate, configured GPS, changed frame. Every time it compiled, uploaded, and hooked up to the ground control station. So, why didn't the other ones work? I don't know. You tell me. But, either way, it does work. It's all good. Now I just need to figure out how to stuff that rat bastard, that guy, that guy right there, into that guy right there. Yeah, should be more than fun. More than fun. Anyway, so with that said, everything is working currently. The only thing, my only issue at this particular moment is I don't have a radio, which is fine. I'm totally not ready to fly yet. I still need to change this guy over to a 5-blade head, and that should be fun. That'll be interesting. And I got a few more videos to make, and I got some of this, that, and the others. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch more of The Pit. Innovating the imitated, as always. Have a good day. See ya.